Did you know Mommy's having a girls' day? What do you think? Taylor has arrived. We're running late.
Per usual.
They're not gonna let us make lipstick. Just kidding. No. Come on, Ginger. Gotta go.
That was bad. That was bad. Cut that.
Cut.
We're going to make Splend Bar to get some lipstick made for us.
There was a funeral procession.
Procession?
That's making us late. The mixed Splend Bar.
Right now, what we're going to do is we're establishing your color base.
Okay.
And see if I'm going in the right direction.
All like brownish red.
Here's my lipsticks. I mixed them myself. See, it's harder than it looks. Here's the lipstick. I still have it on. I mixed mine up.
I have none.
Keep it contained.
Oh my god.
And I'll do 1 drop of vanilla.
Okay. This is my lipstick. Look at our bags.
Oh, it's fancy.
Here's our lipstick. We got the same color.
But we named it different.
We're going to go eat at Bistro Manil.
Very fancy.
Very fancy. My mother suggested it. Cheers. The vlog eats first. What you got, Taylor?
All the things. Crab and mushroom.
Look at my big caper. We're waiting in line at the FOMO factory. We have macaroons.
We just had to shake it off.
Shake off the cooties.
We adult cooties. Not the nudies.
I thought she said the nudies.
We wish.
Oh. Nope, this is not the right room. What were your thoughts on the FOMO factory?
It was cute. It was fun. It was enjoyable.
We were here for a very long time.
Yeah, like 3 hours.
This is extremely rare footage of the two of them touching. And someone is not happy about it. This is what we made last night. Wear thy mask. We're at the Renaissance Festival.
Yes.
Hear he.
And it's so hot out
Oh,
here. It's
Why did you do
a
that
little
so
intoxicating.
good?
Oh, damn.
My
That's
lord.
actually sick.
My lady.
That's Elijah's 12th Ziegenbach, as he
For
says.
free. We haven't paid for any
This is her
alcohol.
7th bottle of wine.
It's called a satchel.
He's doing Jacob things.
He's doing
Jacob things. Typical. Jacob, quit looking at all the tail. You already
Yeah.
have some.
Ha 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 ha.
This thing looks like it would get me in trouble.
Yes, it would. Let's put it away.
Check out that meat.
Oh God!
Da!
Oh
Da!
God! I'm intoxicated.
Hello there. What?
You looking at rings, Elijah?
Look at that one.
She's like, hey, look at this ring. It's $130,000. I said, what if I propose to that little alien looking thing?
Well, the Renaissance Festival was a success.
It was indeed.
It was pretty empty, which
got
was very
drunk.
nice.
Nobody else drank with me except Elijah. Just a teensy bit.
Come on! We're home! Well, after a great weekend, this is what happens. It's Monday.